We've been doing it for 2 months now, and we have two successful moments. It comes first of all, down to how easy it is to create content. And second of all, we also see quite impressive rankings with it. I've scrolled through our clients folder lately, and it's been up to 500 clients. Up until today, we're ranking for SEO Agency Munich and SEO Munich on the top of Google. So in the three pack and also organically on page one. I started out with rank and rent local SEO pages, which we still have. It's all exact match domains, and we still rank and rent them until today. It's like maybe 100 sites we still have.
Hey everyone, I'm here with Timo. Timo is an SEO agency owner and he's been using AI for a while. I wanted to come on here and talk with him for a quick 5 or 6 minutes to understand what he's doing in the SEO space, how he's leveraging AI to grow his agency, and most importantly, how AI is making more money for his agency. Timo, welcome. Tell me who you are, what you do, and yeah, give me a breakdown.
Thanks for the invitation, Vasco. So I got to know you, I think, a couple of years back when I followed you on Vetted, how you built a platform. So I did sign up. I ordered some gigs, and that's how I kept in touch with you and your YouTube channel, actually. And then I think a couple of months ago, actually, I was watching YouTube because YouTube Premium is like the only medium I'm watching, like personally and also job wise. And then I came across, I think there was this one really clickbaity video you were talking about why you should not be using AI writers, but instead use this. I
Yeah,
think you know which one I'm. Yeah,
absolutely. Yeah.
that's how I stumbled upon a journalist AI. Okay. And then so it kind of got me right where you wanted me to be. So I signed up, and then I just tested journalist for a bunch of time. And to answer your questions, we're gonna jump into journalist after. I'm Timo Specht. That's my personal brand SEO agency, and I founded this together with my brother Christoph. He's been doing SEO quite some time before me. So when he was into SEO, he started 2010, which was the time I was in university studying. So I didn't really know where to go with my professional life, and then he transferred me all the SEO knowledge, and so we started to dig into this a little deeper. And then back then we started out with rank and rent local SEO pages, which we still have. It's all exact match domains, and we still rank and rent them until today. It's like maybe 100 sites we still have. But then 2014 until 17, I was really just sucking up all the SEO knowledge. And then 2017, so which is the date of the video today, is the end of October. So 2024, it's actually 7.5 years already with doing SEO as an agency in Munich.
Wow. Okay. And so throughout those 7 years, how many clients have you guys worked with in the SEO space? And were they just in Munich, all throughout Germany, or the whole world?
Basically, a whole bunch of them were actually from Munich because we strong into lead gen in Munich. Up until today, we're ranking for SEO Agency Munich and SEO Munich on the top of Google. So in the three pack and also organically on page one, and we've generated, I don't know, I've scrolled through our clients folder lately, and it's been up to 500 clients we've been working on the last 7 years, like bigger clients, smaller clients, clients with several domains. So it's like all accumulated about 500 in total. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Interesting. And then I guess what made you guys start using AI and trusting AI? Because you've been doing SEO for a long time. You've seen the industry changes so much, but what
Yeah.
made you not stay behind in this technology and giving it a go? Like, why did you choose AI?
I guess it's a hate-love relationship, but actually it's the only way to keep up with what's happening in the future. And I guess like I don't have any niche data or like specific data, but I'm pretty confident to say that at this time of 2025, it's probably gonna be mainly AI content that's gonna rank out there, and that's like rushing into the Google index.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, the way I see it, honestly, is like you can use AI, but if you don't know how to do SEO, it's quite pointless. Like AI is like a tool. It just amplifies what you know, what you do. So you can write an article manually, you can build backlinks manually, you can do all this stuff manually, or you can use AI to do it 10 times faster. But if you don't know how to do it, it's quite pointless. So I do see AI as like a tool to expand what you're doing, right? I think you can agree on that.
I know. To jump in your question, we started with AI probably the time. I mean, we've been working with content and text spinners for years, but then at some points they didn't work really, and all the text spinning was quite useless. So then, when was it? Like 2022, right? That's when ChatGPT got launched. Was
Hmm.
it like 2022?
Yeah, around that.
So for 2 years now, for you 2 years now, we've been testing a whole bunch of strategies. We are consuming a lot of content from several masterminds. So like on day-to-day base, I'm learning new stuff and implementing new strategy in like well-known old SEO strategy. And besides ChatGPT and Claude, we've been testing, I don't know, like 20, 30 different SEO AI writers on own projects, on lead gen
Hmm.
projects, on like spammy projects. And up until now, we've been really like hesitative and careful to implement SEO AI strategies on clients because we don't want to fuck up any projects and want to
Yeah.
really like treat it precisely and cautious. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Okay. Interesting. Yeah. A lot of people are like that. They're slowly implementing it because they're a bit risk averse, which is fair enough, right? It's the client side. Um, I guess last question will be, how are you guys using journalist AI and how is it saving you guys time or improving your processes? Because again, the whole goal with what we built here with journalist AI is to basically make, and I know it's super cliche, but make your life as an agency owner easier, whether that's by doing stuff faster or more efficiently. So how are you guys using it in your day to day?
We've been doing it, using it for 2 months now, and we have two successful moments. It comes first of all, down to how easy it is to create content, and second of all, we also see quite impressive rankings with it. So, how are we using it? We are mixing journalist AI into another strategy. So we start creating content mainly for blog and glossary pages. And the one thing that really differentiates journalists from all the other writers out there is that you can really fill up the knowledge base for the client or the knowledge base for the website you're talking about. Because I think in the future, it's not about prompting. It's more like which content are you giving the machine to then uniquely create something totally different, you know? So
Mhm.
journalist was really like the only tool besides many others that really helped us to, okay, you can upload the sitemap, you can upload the whole website, and the crawler is reading it, and you can feel how it's not like the pointless AI content with tons of fluff.
Yeah.
It really breaks down what is ranking. So we can see that you can really use it in a more unique way. And we can also see when the content is created, it's nicely designed. It comes with tables, bullets. It's got all the different fonts. H1s to H3s are perfect. So it really works. And then what we're doing, second of all, we're kind of copy and pasting the content out of Journalist, and then we're setting up Surfer SEO content editors. And then
Mhm.
we're copy and pasting it into Surfer SEO. And then we're trying to again optimize it with Surfer and Surfer AI to really push like the content score, you know?
Mhm. Yeah.
So it's like kind of like a two-step creation process. It starts out with journalist and then it gets precisely optimized in Surfer SEO. That's how
Okay.
we're using it right now. And you know
Amazing.
what the fun part is?
Hmm.
Um, some clients we're talking to, we are openly discussing the AI topic because we're telling them, hey guys, if you want to move faster, we can mix in some AI. And with some of the ones we really know for like 5 years and longer, where we have like this huge trust, we're trying to mix in the same exact content instead of the content from the authors we're
Mhm.
using historically, and nobody notices. So they don't notice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Um,
AI is so
which
good right now that it's impossible to tell the difference, right? It's insane.
exactly, exactly. So it really helps us with easy creation, and it also helps us with optimizing and combining it with other tools. Yeah,
Amazing. Yeah.
that's a
It's
huge help.
a multi-step process. Yeah. Hopefully in the future, Journalist AI has a feature that allows you to also optimize and give you a
Mhm,
score. Amazing. I guess last question will be, since you've been doing this for a long time,
mhm.
what's SEO looking like in 2025, 2026, and beyond? where anyone has access to AI and anyone can just build out content like in a split second, build links and build anything basically? Probably a hard question, but love to hear your thoughts.
That's probably the huge question that's going to be discussed in Chiang Mai next month.
Yeah.
I guess so. When looking at the last 10 years, okay, um, and if you compare it with today, it's still kind of like the same in my opinion. Might sound edgy to somebody, but if you break it down, it still comes down to keyword and domain or keyword and URL if it's an inner page. And then the basic on-page SEO, keyword and metas, keyword and headlines, internal linking, and
Yeah.
then basically better and more authority than the competition. And I don't think this is gonna change. And I don't think that and AI tools comes down from Perplexity to GPT search. Like everybody is aggregating what's in the Google index. So what I'm presuming is that next year the whole amount of content in the Google Index is going to increase immensely. So if you don't use AI, you're gonna probably gonna drown because of the quantity that's out there.
Hmm.
And only with like quality content, I reckon it's hard to outrank somebody that has 1,000x the amount of content as you
Yeah.
have.
Yeah.
So, in my opinion, nothing has changed, but the speed of implementation has like quadrupled
Yeah.
or is 100x the speed, you know?
Agree. And people that don't use AI are just gonna get left behind. That's the
Yeah.
thing.
And if you ask me, is SEO there, or if you compare SEO to all the other strategies out there, I think besides SEO, you need to really be like a clever and smart marketer and like huge SEO results don't move the needle for companies as much as they've done 5 years back. That's for sure. So you have to mix in email marketing, display, social ads, Google ads,
YouTube
uh,
even, like everything.
YouTube even. Yeah. I think like YouTube videos are still gonna hijack more and more traffic from Google search. So maybe someday there's an AI video tool you're also publishing would help a lot. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, there's a couple out there that just generate people like me and you that just do videos like on autopilot. So yeah, who knows what's gonna happen in a couple of years from now with AI? It's definitely interesting for sure. Well, Timo, thank you so much for hopping on. It's great. Hopefully, people will find some value in this. And yeah, thank you again so much. And we'll speak very soon. Cheers.
Thanks, Vasco. Thanks for the invitation.